Hi, friends! Welcome to Bright Learners. Today, we'll learn 100 common food phrases for eating, cooking, and dining out. Are you ready? Let's get started. I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
I am full.
I am full.
I am stuffed.
I am stuffed.
I like apples.
I like apples.
I don't like onions.
I don't like onions.
This is delicious.
This is delicious.
It tastes good.
It tastes good.
This dish smells good.
This dish smells good.
The food looks delicious.
The food looks delicious.
Yummy!
Yummy!
The French fries are too salty.
The French fries are too salty.
The chili pepper is spicy.
The chili pepper is spicy.
The apple pie is sweet.
The apple pie is sweet.
The lemon is sour.
The lemon is sour.
That soup is hot.
That soup is hot.
The black coffee is bitter.
The black coffee is bitter.
The cake is very creamy.
The cake is very creamy.
The bread is soft.
The bread is soft.
The meat is tender.
The meat is tender.
The salad is crunchy.
The salad is crunchy.
This noodle soup is bland.
This noodle soup is bland.
This fried chicken is oily.
This fried chicken is oily.
The orange is juicy.
The orange is juicy.
It tastes like chicken.
It tastes like chicken.
The bread is stale.
The bread is stale.
This banana is overripe.
This banana is overripe.
This apple is rotten.
This apple is rotten.
These cookies are burnt.
These cookies are burnt.
The lettuce is wilted.
The lettuce is wilted.
The milk smells funny.
The milk smells funny.
This cheese is moldy.
This cheese is moldy.
I boil water to make tea.
I boil water to make tea.
She likes to fry eggs for breakfast.
She likes to fry eggs for breakfast.
I bake cookies on weekends.
I bake cookies on weekends.
She roasts a chicken for dinner.
She roasts a chicken for dinner.
I steam vegetables to keep them healthy.
I steam vegetables to keep them healthy.
I stir-fry vegetables with pasta.
I stir-fry vegetables with pasta.
I bake potatoes for my family.
I bake potatoes for my family.
I stew beef with veggies for dinner.
I stew beef with veggies for dinner.
She flips the pancake.
She flips the pancake.
I grill corn and meat in the garden.
I grill corn and meat in the garden.
Wash the vegetables.
Wash the vegetables.
Peel the potatoes.
Peel the potatoes.
Chop the onions.
Chop the onions.
Slice the tomatoes.
Slice the tomatoes.
Dice the carrots.
Dice the carrots.
Mince the garlic.
Mince the garlic.
Grate the cheese.
Grate the cheese.
Crack the eggs.
Crack the eggs.
Whisk the eggs.
Whisk the eggs.
Squeeze the lemon.
Squeeze the lemon.
Measure the flour.
Measure the flour.
Pour the milk.
Pour the milk.
Add some salt.
Add some salt.
Spread the jelly.
Spread the jelly.
Mix the ingredients.
Mix the ingredients.
Mash the potatoes.
Mash the potatoes.
Drain the pasta.
Drain the pasta.
Knead the dough.
Knead the dough.
Roll out the dough.
Roll out the dough.
Stir the soup.
Stir the soup.
She eats dark chocolate.
She eats dark chocolate.
He drinks milk.
He drinks milk.
She bites the strawberry.
She bites the strawberry.
He chews the sandwich slowly.
He chews the sandwich slowly.
He swallows the soup.
He swallows the soup.
She spits it out.
She spits it out.
I sip my coffee.
I sip my coffee.
He tastes the soup.
He tastes the soup.
He enjoys the tacos.
He enjoys the tacos.
I try new foods.
I try new foods.
The boy licks ice cream.
The boy licks ice cream.
He munches on popcorn.
He munches on popcorn.
He gulps down the water.
He gulps down the water.
He burps after drinking soda.
He burps after drinking soda.
I eat breakfast at home.
I eat breakfast at home.
He eats lunch at noon.
He eats lunch at noon.
We have dinner together.
We have dinner together.
She eats rice every day.
She eats rice every day.
He eats a light snack.
He eats a light snack.
I usually snack on fruit in the afternoon.
I usually snack on fruit in the afternoon.
I usually have coffee.
I usually have coffee.
I am a vegetarian.
I am a vegetarian.
I don't eat meat.
I don't eat meat.
Drink more water.
Drink more water.
Fast food is not healthy.
Fast food is not healthy.
I like home cooking.
I like home cooking.
Fruit is good for you.
Fruit is good for you.
Don't skip breakfast.
Don't skip breakfast.
I drink tea every afternoon.
I drink tea every afternoon.
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
I eat 3 meals a day.
I eat 3 meals a day.
I have a sweet tooth.
I have a sweet tooth.
I'm on a diet.
I'm on a diet.
I am allergic to nuts.
I am allergic to nuts.
A table for 2, please.
A table for 2, please.
May I see the menu?
May I see the menu?
I am ready to order.
I am ready to order.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I'll have the steak.
I'll have the steak.
I'd like a burger.
I'd like a burger.
More water, please.
More water, please.
No ice, please.
No ice, please.
Can I have a fork?
Can I have a fork?
I'd like a chocolate cake for dessert.
I'd like a chocolate cake for dessert.
Can I have some napkins?
Can I have some napkins?
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Let's split the bill.
Let's split the bill.
My treat.
My treat.
The check, please.
The check, please.
Keep the change.
Keep the change.
To go, please.
To go, please.
Can I have a bag?
Can I have a bag?
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Food is part of everyday life. These simple phrases can help you eat, cook, and enjoy food with confidence. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.